Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC stock. Should you buy AMC at $12.46? Why I see a lot of upward momentum for AMC and kind of some news that's been surrounding AMC stock over the last couple of weeks. I just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It is just my personal opinion and for educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So taking a look at AMC stock, $12.46. Is AMC a good buy at these prices? I honestly, personally think so. It's pretty interesting to say the least because a lot of people are now considering AMC stock a value play. We did have Goldman Sachs come out and basically say, AMC stock could be a value play in the future as its overall meme status has kind of significantly decreased. They do attribute this to a lot of people cutting their losses on AMC stock, and due to the overall fact that the company has lost 75% of its overall market value over the last year, people are kind of looking at AMC as a value play that could definitely see a lot of upside in the near-term future. Now, Goldman Sachs also stated that they do believe that AMC is trading way below its intrinsic value as the company's book ratio, or basically its price to book value, is 0.51. So they do consider the stock super undervalued, which is obviously a good sign, but we also do know with AMC and GameStop, we do have a record amount since the highest since 2021 of this stock being shorted, with over 118 million shares being shorted of this specific company. It does pose the question of, can AMC run into the longer term, right? Does AMC have the possibility of going through another short squeeze? Or basically it never did squeeze, but we did see a pretty big run up. If we take a look at the 5-year here, last year around June 18th, all the way up to about $72 and then slowly falling basically for the rest of the year after that, along with every single stock. But, taking a look, AMC's been dropping movies, or movies have been dropping, and we can definitely see that the overall box office has been performing pretty well. So I do expect better earnings going in later this year. Yes, inflation is sky high, which has played a huge role into stocks altogether that are not really doing well. So if we take a look at the 1-year chart, it's down 75%, but a lot of stocks, even big time stocks, are down 50-60% for the year, basically. So, a lot of people are calling the last year a full wash anyway, so you can attribute this to just AMC alone. But we also have some other good news that AMC may be joining the Russell 1000. So if AMC does join the Russell 1000, obviously that's still a very good sign. But we also do know that Switzerland's central bank about a couple weeks ago bought up AMC stock as well, as they do see basically, a lot of longer term potential. You also have the largest U.S. pension who bought AMC and it sold Netflix. So a lot of people have always attributed that, because of Netflix, AMC is going to go under the water. I highly doubt that. I've said this since day one that the movie theaters are never going to go away. AMC stock, in my opinion, does have a lot of room to run up to the upside. We do have an analyst calling AMC going to $6. I don't think that's honestly a possibility. I don't think AMC is going to $6. If anything, though, I do think that AMC does have a huge potential to run up to the upside, given better market sentiment, better reporting on their numbers throughout the quarters. But we, like I said, we do see a lot of big time investors also picking up AMC stock, along with a lot of people still shorting this stock. So if AMC does get the run it actually needs, it does give it a chance to go through a short squeeze. Now, AMC never really did go through a short squeeze like GameStop did, but I can almost tell you guys that with AMC stock, a squeeze for this stock is almost inevitable. Like, there's nothing you can do to possibly avoid it. As market sentiment gets better, people are going to start flooding money back into the markets. There's definitely a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt right now in the overall market. So we can see that there's not a lot of people who are putting money in the overall market. When it comes to AMC stock, though, the stock has had a lot of good news, but over the last week, down about 0.60%. Over the last month, down about 5.93%. But like I said, stated with box office numbers, we do know that their business is coming back. We do know that AMC is getting basically poised to a better position. They have an excellent balance sheet, and they do have a lot of cash on hand. So looking at it from a bigger perspective, guys, if we take a look at AMC stock, it is poised for a run at this specific moment. Obviously, you can't time the market. You can't time when a stock is going to run. But I would not count AMC out of the game just yet, because I do think within the near-term future, this stock does have a lot of upside potential. Now, if I could give my personal price prediction for AMC stock by the end of this year, I definitely do think that AMC could at least double from its current prices. And that's not even it going through a short squeeze, but with better market sentiment, and if we see inflation kind of slowly going down, we could definitely see altogether that, AMC stock is poised for a run. We did get CPI numbers this morning, and they were horrible. Inflation at 8.6%. Obviously, that's nothing to brag about. So the overall whole stock market is taking a pretty big hit today. So you can attribute these external macroeconomic factors that are basically affecting AMC stock price, because AMC is poised in a good position. A lot of people are picking up the stock. A lot of people are still shorting the stock, which does give it a better chance for it to squeeze in the longer term. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. You guys let me know down in the comments below, guys, what you think of AMC stock. Do you guys think AMC stock is going to go through a short squeeze? If you guys own AMC stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.